Okay, so today we're going to attempt to make lots of soap go funny in the microwave. Oh God, hold this camera for me, Morgan. Just aim it at my
why do you have a black one now?
Because I stole. Oh, by the way, everyone. Last night I went to Lauren's place to get footage of her, because her computer's currently all in the crapper. So I accidentally stole Lauren's camera. Sorry, Lauren.
Your skin is orange.
Yeah, it's because I'm as tan as a Guido. I'm a Guido.
Huh.
Do you know what a Guido is?
I have an idea.
Do you know what a Guido is? What's a Guido? Tell me what a Guido is. You can say what a Guido is on camera. It's not rude. I think saying it's a Guido. I think they call them Guidos.
A Guido is a person that's not Australian. Something like that?
No, a Guido. Hey, do you watch the Jersey Shore, Morgan? Do you know what the Jersey Shore is?
I do. It's my best friend's favorite TV show.
That's what a Guido is. People from the Jersey Shore. Okay. Ready? This is what happens when you put soap in a microwave. I'm really nervous to touch it. Oh, the plate's really hot.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch it.
I want to touch soap too. Is it weird?
It's kind of hot. And it
kind of looks like dough.
It does. Look, that bit's burnt.
Yeah, that's weird.
It smells really bad.
It does. Alright, air out this house. Air out this house. We're going to open out that window just there. It smells really bad. Really bad in here. Okay.
Yeah. So guess what? I just got back from Tamara. After she left last night, she took my camera with her, and I was so lost that I didn't know what to do. But now I have it back. Thanks.
You're welcome. But yeah, anyway, so I had it in my hand. I put it here. Halfway home, Dale goes, "Why do you have Lauren's camera?" I was like, "Oh." I was like, "Oopsies." And I was like, "Oh well, I'll just text her and I'll give it to her tomorrow."
I was so disappointed. I'm vlogging. Tamara and I have had a very productive day, sitting down and watching Animal Planet. What's the show called?
Animal Police!
Yeah, and they rescue all the hurt and sad animals, and it's so cute. And now we're cleaning.
Well,
when I say we're cleaning, I mean I'm sitting here and Tamara's cleaning.
Okay,
and I'm just going through all her stuff. Very pretty.
I love it. My auntie got it for Christmas.
Anyway, we're having fun times until Renee gets here, and then also Dale, apparently. Why can I not point this at my face? Why can I not do that?
I'm the worst person. This is very worth it right now. All the people at back right now are like, "You loser."
Because you can't see it on camera anyway, because it's so damn dark.
Thanks, Dale. I need to tell you something.
What?
But you have to promise me that you won't be disappointed with me.
Probably going to be disappointed with you, but what's up?
Okay, well, I decided that my massive jar of peanuts...
You didn't finish it?
No.
Okay, let's go.
They're very much emptier than where they were. But I decided that they were just a little bit unsalted.
Really, hon?
So I put salt in it, but I accidentally put half the jar in there. Are you disappointed in me?
A little bit.
Tango. I'm allergic to her, so I shouldn't really be patting her. What the hell was that? Jesus, you sounded like Mum just then. What was that? What did you do? Are you okay?
Does she have the same annoying habit that you do, that whenever she's in pain, she laughs?
Yeah, she does. I hurt my foot. I think she can do this level for me because I've tried twice and I can't do it. So. Yeah, and I'm pretty lazy when it comes to attempting to do things more than once. That's why I cheat all the time in games. You're a tough one. He just won.
What did he go like tomorrow?
video anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to see you do it.
This bass drop.
No. Oh, don't.
Right. So, I don't understand why it's a G-rated channel.
PG. We don't
Why
go
it's a
that far.
PG-rated channel. I don't understand. Why is it a PG-rated
Well,
channel?
at the beginning we were trying to pretend like we were the most innocent people ever. We were like, no, we never drink alcohol or do anything ever. But then we were like, it's just Coke.
This is an alcoholic beverage, children, that are relating to the PG rating on this. To find it on YouTube, you need to type in PG.
Shut up. How can I just come back from that? No.
Oh God.
Oh God.
So.
You know what I need in this situation?
Just drink more, because we haven't drunk enough already yet, have we? Let's just give ourselves alcohol poisoning slowly.
Just because.
Let's just do it.
Just do it. Life is so good. Can you please hold the camera steady, please?
Why?
Can you make an effort, please?
I'm trying. Why do I need to make an effort? Can you explain this to me, please?
Because I'm a very professional YouTube person
Oh.
with 13 subscribers.
Make it 14 after I appear on it.
Don't flatter yourself, mate.
Oh, I'm sorry. Who has the 22,000 views?
Me.
Who has the over 200 subscribers?
200 subscribers? You're like famous.
How many do you have? How many do you have?